This moment, thoughts of you run through my head. Every time that I'm near you, I realize that you haven't seen. I think you're truly something special.
Everything big. Oh, you fancy, huh?
Girls, let me see your hands. Wave them at them bitches hating on you with their friends. Girl, you got it.
There's no one like you around.
Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Mashao. Okay, hi guys. So as I was editing, I realized I don't have a clip which is telling you guys what I was doing. So basic help. Basically, it's a vlog. We're going horse riding today, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. There's some of the horses right there, and they were like, yeah, more. But and guys, like, I put mascara. I don't know if you guys can see it, but anyways, did my eyebrows. Well, I always do my eyebrows, but yeah. And my outfit of the day is just this Adidas crop top and baggy jeans. That's all. It's actually hot here, y'all. But I bought a t-shirt because I kind of knew it was gonna be hot, and I also bought shorts in case I wanted to change. But and this place is actually so far. I think it took 49 minutes to get here. Yeah. And don't mind, I'm just sitting by the driver's seat, guys. I was not actually driving, because I know some people are gonna jump into conclusions and they're gonna think I was driving. Guys, I can't drive. I so feel that, but by the time we get to December, I'm gonna be able to drive. And I'm very shy to vlog, but Musa keeps calling me Grace Montana Koskolong, guys, and it's so embarrassing because like I'm just walking, you'll hear someone shouting Grace. I'm like, yo, wait, like I already know. You see, the minute I hear Grace, I know it's Musa. Cause like, what do you mean Grace? But yeah, my motivation right there. Gaza. Oh.
No way, Jose.
It's actually not that scary. I would like do it again. But next time I'm gonna come with my friends. Yeah. Okay. Bye guys. Let me put my phone away before it falls, because child, we in the forest, like deep inside. My scooter even came off. But as we're going now, I think this vlog is gonna be short because I didn't take that much content because other things, it was running, sometimes it was walking. Yeah, because they told us what this, if we come, we should come earlier next time. My lips are dry. The scenery is very nice, like the trees. There's even more fitting where the cars were even passing from that side, and you could see the cars also. Okay, let me tell you guys like the whole experience. I'd give it like 10 out of 10. It's good. I think the place is Groenkloof. I'll add it on the video. But it was very nice. I won't lie. The scenery eats. But like, you use your phone. Like, waiting. If you wanna use your phone, good luck. Because there's certain obstacles where like you run, then certain the horse is going up and then others it's going down. So it's like you have to hold your phone or else it's gone. And like, I think it was an hour long for 100 and something. So
Clock that tea.
yeah. But anyways, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.